I have seen enough of these that I have got an eye for it. And that is, pay attention when you install the unit fresh and new. Look at the air pattern on the surface of the water. Okay, you will see that the air actually comes out pretty uniformly in the same area almost as the membrane. Okay, that means your aeration grid at the bottom of the system are actually all clean. It's putting all the air from all the orifices that we have there, and the blower is working right. God forbid, if something happens and your aeration grid is clogged or something has gone wrong with the system, you will notice that sometimes the air distribution is not uniformly everywhere. It might be shifted to one side. And if shifted to one side or blocked on the other side, that is not very good. That's not good at all. That actually causes a lot of problems with your operation. Okay? So those are some of the things you have to get used to when you do installation. As I said yesterday, that is really the minimum amount of water we want above the membrane. Okay, and then from here on will be more of operational water level.